As we mentioned before, Calibre is great for creating EPUBs, but it's really much more. It's a library management system. It is open source, which means it's free and you can share it with others. And there you can convert formats. You can convert to any format, basically, not just EPUB, as you'll see. But you can also view and you can edit ebooks, which is really important for writers who are uploading to retailers. Now in this example, we're going to be working with Microsoft Word docx and converting it to EPUB. But there are other formats that you could work with, and that will be fine. Again, here's the URL listed, and it's also in the useful links section of this course. Here's the Calibre website, and I'd like to point out that the pronunciation is Calibre. You may hear it pronounced Calibre or Calibre, but the creator of the program is Covid Goyal, and I've listened to some videos from Covid, and he calls it Calibre, so I call it Calibre. Anyway, just click on the Download Calibre button, and then you can choose your operating system and just follow the prompts to download it. One of the nice things about this program is that Covid regularly updates it. I would say he updates it within each month. And so, for example, if we click on the What's New tab, here's an update that is literally just from 10 days ago. And that's common for this program. Covid regularly updates it, which is really nice compared to some other programs out there that you may use to do the same thing. There are other helpful tabs that you may want to click on. For example, the Demo tab will give you a video tutorial of how to use Calibre. Now, this is primarily going to be for someone who is a reader, who really just is collecting books and reading books, and so that's great for you. Our video is going to go more into for authors creating EPUB versions to upload to retailers. So we're going to have a little bit of a different slant. However, you might want to click on the Help tab. And the Help tab is going to have some good stuff, including a user manual, which is a great thing to look through. I don't want to take a lot of time here because we could literally spend hours on these things. But if you click on the Frequently Asked Questions tab, one of the most obvious questions is which formats does it support? And so if you look down here, you'll see these are the input formats. And a lot of people are going to use Word docx. If you have an older version of Word, just Word doc, that won't work at this time. So you'll either need to save that as a web page, HTML, or some other format. If you write in RTF, for example, you could upload that. You could even upload a simple plain text document. It just wouldn't have very much formatting, and you'd have to do a lot of work once you got inside Calibre. You can upload PDF, although Covid recommends against it if possible, just because PDF doesn't always convert that well. These are the output formats that you can get, and so AZW3 and Mobi will work on Kindles. EPUB, of course, as mentioned, works for just about everything. You can also do output in PDF or several other formats, so it's a really handy program. Depending on where you saved the file, mine is over here in the far left corner, so we're just going to click on it to open it. And this is basically what it should look like when you open Calibre. And of course mine's going to be a little different because I've populated it with my books, and this is one of the covers of my books. But you'll have this top bar of menu items and features, and you'll have basically a tag area over here. And also as you start adding books, you're going to end up getting books in here, and Calibre may already have a few books populated in there for you when you first upload. All right, great. It's time to start using this wonderful program.